Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 2 built-in oven. Bosch ovens give you the confidence that every meal you prepare will be perfectly made. Introducing the Bosch Series 2 built-in oven. Whether you're baking, roasting, or grilling, this oven meets all your cooking needs with precision and reliability. Through even heat distribution from the upper and lower heating elements, you can achieve perfect results each time. This function is particularly ideal for traditional baking and roasting on a single level, cakes with moist toppings, casseroles, pies, and more. If your oven only requires a quick clean from minor soiling, the Clean Assistance option comes in handy. Simply add 400 milliliters of water with a drop of liquid detergent at the bottom of the oven cavity to soften the baked-on residue. Then, select the function, do a simple wipe down, and you're good to go. Achieve an efficient and flexible cooking experience with an oven equipped with 4 shelf levels, allowing you to whip up multiple dishes at once. Ensure a safe kitchen for you and your loved ones with the triple glazed cool touch door, designed to always keep the exterior comfortably cool to the touch. With a total connected load of 2.85 kilowatt, this oven is perfectly suited for HDB homes, offering an optimal balance of energy efficiency and powerful performance. This makes it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Coupled with top-of-the-line features and advanced technology, this oven is definitely a worthy addition to your kitchen. Take your cooking experience up a notch with the versatile Bosch Series 2 oven, built with your various cooking needs in mind.